Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to set up Yunite bot for verification. Firstly, go to the Yunite bot website on the Yunite bot Discord page and select your server to authorize the bot with the necessary permissions. Once Yunite bot is added to your server, follow these steps to set up verification process. Go to the Yunite bot dashboard and log in with your Discord account and select the server where you added the bot. In the dashboard, go to Verification or Verify settings, toggle it to Enabled and select the channel where the verification process will take place. Now, you can use reaction-based verification, set up the verification message, or customize the role assignment. Set a time limit for users to verify, and you can configure specific verification commands. If you prefer users to type commands to verify themselves, just do it. Once you've configured everything, don't forget to click Save or Apply to confirm the setup. And that's it, guys. All you have to do now is test the verification process. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.